everybody. How are you guys doing? In this session, we're going to talk about how to correctly fill out your CDAs that you're going to be taking to your CPAs. Yeah, sounds funny, and but that's the correct way to do it. That way you guys are doing everything correctly when you're filing your taxes. So very easy. When you guys get your property in escrow and you guys get the commission instructions, you guys are going to also fill out what is called your CDA, your commission distribution form. In that form, it is required that you guys write the escrow company. Let's use our normal Inland Empire escrow. You guys are going to write the escrow officer's name. For example, this one is going to be Barbara Payton. And then you guys are going to be sure that you write the escrow number. Let's say BP 100 120. Okay? That has to be completely written in the form. Your ROG agent's name, yes, of course, you have to have your complete name there. I'm going to put my name in there. You're going to write also the property address. It has to have the address in order to match it up with the address. So let's say, one of my addresses. And then you're going to have the correct sales price. The sales price is going to be the price that the house is selling for. Not the price, like if you guys went to the purchase contract and then later on it changed. You guys have to write in there the final purchase price. So let's say sold for $450, you write $450. Okay? Then it says payee and amount. The first line is gonna say Realty ONE Group Trilogy Inc. That's where you're gonna put the form's amount that you guys have. And you guys will send a new form again, updated with all your monthly transaction fee. That's where it's gonna go. And remember, it's gonna either be $475, $675, $875, but the first line you're gonna fill out with that amount. The second line you're gonna fill out with your name. So let's say my name, and then it's gonna go with the second amount. The third 4 or 5 lines, there are extra lines in there. Let's say you have a transaction coordinator. Let's say you guys have an up-city deal. Let's say you guys have a referral. All that is going to go in that CD. And line by line, you're going to write the name of the person or the name of the company that the number is going to go to. On this one, I'm just going to keep it with my name and I say a TC. Okay, the total gross commission on the bottom, on the last line, is going to be the total commission that is going to be in the commission instructions that you get from escrow. So let's say you're getting 2.5%. That's the amount that you guys are going to put in there, the complete commission instruction. So let's say is $8,000 commission. That's what's going to go in the gross commission amount. So let's put $8,000 right there. Now you're going to deduct the fee, $675, from the $8,000. You're going to deduct your TC fee from the $8,000, and you're going to and then it's going to give you the amount that you're going to receive in your check. Remember, the whole purpose of having the CDA is that when we receive your closing packet, that check is already made to your name. So you're going to receive that check immediately when you close the deal. I do compliance and you guys will get paid immediately. So at that point, already has been disbursed and then it has to be approved. So you guys have to send it to me for signature. I prefer that you guys send it e-sign. It takes me a minute to e-sign it and you get it back, and then it goes directly to escrow. Then after it's all approved, You guys also have to put it in SkySlope. In SkySlope, there is a spot that is for your CDA and your commission instructions. There are 2 pages due in the SkySlope. Your commission instruction from escrow and your CDA. Okay, so that is filling out your CDA. When you're finished with that, that keeps a record of how much your gross commission was, how much you got paid, and how many expenses you did in that file. Okay, now that takes us to your 1099 forms, which actually this year, in 2020, July 2020, it was changed from a 1099 miscellaneous to now a 1099 NEC, which is the non-employee compensation form, which you guys will be receiving by February 1st of 2021. So you will be receiving this form to file for your taxes of the amount that you receive as a gross commission from the office, okay? In this form, you're gonna have Mirage Capital Group, which is the corporation name that pays you. DBA, Realty ONE Group, Trilogy. Then you're also gonna have your TIN number from the company that your CPA is gonna need to file this form. And you're gonna have your name, your address, your social security number, and your information in here. If it's individual or if you prefer that it's done to a corporation. You guys have to advise me how would you like the 1099 to be written. Also, now, rather than last year, the 1099, it was on line 7 that you will see your compensation. This year in the NEC, you're gonna see your compensation on line number 1. And it says non-employee compensation. Now, over there where it says federal taxes, state taxes and all that, you guys, we don't put anything because you guys don't pay taxes through us. So all you're gonna use out of this form is gonna be the TIN number for the corporation name, corporation address, and item number 1, which is the non-employee compensation. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you still have any questions, you can call me, but this explains how to use the CDA for your CPA and your 1099 NEC.